Yeah, I'm here with a cop here that he was in my property right now from my backyard. And he's saying that he doesn't need a warrant to be in my property.
Just to clarify, I'm a reserve officer with the Ada Police Department, and I was in a city alley.
Private alley. Say it. Private alley is inside my property.
It is a city alley.
Inside my property. No, inside my property.
No, it is main.
Private alley inside my property.
I'm not going to listen to you.
Okay.
I'm not going to argue with you right now.
Okay.
Because
Continue.
you've been told.
Well, continue.
It's a city maintained by the alley. It is not in.
I never seen the city back there. Not even once. So I don't know why you're saying that.
I don't know why.
There's an alley behind my house. It's inside my property, and they're saying they don't need a warrant to be there. But it's actually inside my property line.
Okay, yeah. If it is within your property line, they would need a warrant. But if it is an easement, then he would not need a warrant.
Well, he said that they don't need a warrant to be inside my property, even though it's inside my property line. Actually, the chief is here too. Can you explain that, my attorney? Yeah. Can you explain how the alley behind my property is inside my property line, but you can go in there without a warrant?
Yeah, we don't need a warrant to drive through an alleyway.
Yeah. I'm just saying that it's inside my property line, and attorney saying that you do need a warrant. I can show you right now the GSI map is inside my property.
Okay. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So the area is talking about is an alleyway that is maintained by the city.
I never seen the city back there.
Yeah. The city
is it an easement, sir?
No, it's an actual alleyway.
Okay.
It's a dirt alley.
It's a gravel.
Not gravel, it's dirt. It's dirt, not gravel. It's a dirt alley.
Go take a picture and send it to her. Go take a picture.
We can go right now. No,
it doesn't matter. It's a right of way that is maintained by the city.
But it's inside my property line. It's inside my property line.
Okay.
Like it's literally inside my property line. That piece of alley behind the house is inside my property line.
What is your purpose for being in the alley, if you don't mind me asking?
You.
Well, first off, it's a city street, so we don't have to have a purpose to drive down. But the reason that we are driving down it right now, is we're doing blight enforcement on a neighbor that's across the town.
Okay. But you have to go through my property to do that? Like you have to it's inside my property, man. Like, it's inside my property. It's not like this alley over here that property line ends in the alley. That alley is inside my property line, actually.
You want me to talk to her or you? I've already talked to you. Okay. We have, it is a maintained city alley that is open. There's garages on that alley. People all through that alley access that alley. It's just your normal standard alley.
No, it's not. It's inside my property.
Okay, I'm talking to her, not you.
Oh, you're lying.
All right. I'm out.
Why are you leaving? Hey, why are you leaving? Well, don't get in my fucking property no more. I'm telling you, and I'm telling you. You understand? Don't drive inside my fucking property again. Both of you, fucking piece of shit. Literally. It's inside my fucking property, man. Fucking respect my fucking rights.
Sir.
Okay? Respect my fucking rights, first of all.
How many times I've explained it to you? I've told you what to do.
It's inside my fucking property, man. Respect my rights, bro.
That's not.
It is. I can show you right now your fucking map.
And I said, go up to City Hall and...
I can show you right now the fucking GSI map, man. It's inside my fucking property, man. You're fucking lying. Every time I touch you, fucking bullshit from you, man. Lies after lies.
Mr. Palacios?
What the fuck is wrong with these fucking assholes?
Are they leaving now?
I'm sorry, ma'am. It's they come to my house a bunch of times, wanting pictures. They go to my inside my property to my bag, and every time I go and talk to them, they're always telling me they don't need a warrant. Not even to take pictures. They do need a warrant.
Yes, sir. If it is your property, they do need a warrant, but it seems like there's a misunderstanding between what they believe the alleyway to be and what you believe it to be. So I would recommend going to City Hall and getting an order from a judge that you can show the officers next time to say, this is my property line and you do need a warrant.
But it's so clearly in the GSI map, like the property is inside my property line. It's so clearly. And he's saying that it's not my property. It's the property of the city. When it's clearly inside my property line. You know, every time I go talk to them, every time I get like, all I get from them is just BS, bunch of lies. Like, in a way that they can violate my freaking rights. I'm tired. Yeah. Last year, they violated my rights 4 times. This year, 2 times already. Like, I'm getting tired.
I can understand. definitely frustrating. It is, if they are really under the assumption that they don't need a warrant, it's really hard for me to tell them that they have to and like force them to go get it without me being there. But I do think going to City Hall and talking to somebody about getting a document that clearly shows that this is my defined property line, that you could show them next time, I think would be helpful.
I already did. I got pictures to show my property line all around the house. The alley is inside the property, but they're telling me that it's not my property. It shows inside my property, like clearly, but they're telling me, no, it's not your property. It's a property of the city. Like it's not. It's not like the other properties. They're like the other alleys. They're wide, gravel all the way through from one point to the other point. Mine is different. Mine is a dirt one, and it looks like a snake because we made it. The owners did. Me and my neighbors made it. You know.
Okay. So the city does not maintain the road at all?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
I never seen them back there.
Yeah.
I seen people blowing the snow. The people that charge on their own, but not the city.
Yeah, because if the city does do maintenance on the road, then the officers would be correct that they would have the ability to go there without a warrant. But if it is your property or the curtilage of your property, they would require a warrant.
But I had read that even even though the city cleaned the road, they even do need a warrant to come inside because it's not like they have the right to come inside my property, even though the city comes and clean it. But like I said, I never seen the city back there.
Okay, yeah, it's really hard for me to know exactly because the officer is saying one thing and you're saying the other. I'm inclined to believe you because you are the property owner. You just might need a more official documentation to show them next time. That's why
last year they came to my house. They said that they had orders from the state to take pictures from me right here in the house, and I told them they need a warrant, and they told me no. When we get orders from the state, we don't need a warrant because we have strict orders from the state to come to the house and take pictures.
If they were just taking pictures of the outside of the house, like from the street.
Take pictures of me. Take pictures of me. They knock on the door. They come me out. They show me a paper, wada, and I said, you need a warrant to get pictures. I'm not in probation no more. I got probation like 10 years ago. Like, I'm a free man now. Nope. We still have the right to come over here. And besides, we have a order from the state. And when we get order from the state, straight order from them, we need a warrant. We have to do it.
That's not true.
I know it's not true. Yeah, I know it's not true. But this is why I got a cops and they come to my property like I was still in probation, like they own the place, and I'm tired of that. Literally.
Sure. Well, did they leave your property now, or are they still?
They left, but last month they passed through there again, and they came to check my vehicle because I saw a cop stopping in front of my vehicle and take a picture of my vehicle. That's why. And last year they did the same thing. Like, I don't want them in my property. Like, literally, the back alley is inside my property, and like I don't want them back there because I don't let a lot of people back there, just my neighbors, because they can use it. They need it. They can use it. I'm not gonna say no to my neighbors, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but cops, they cannot come inside my property at all.
Yeah, and that's fair. That's your right to exclude them. But now that you're no longer interacting with law enforcement and they have left, do you have any other questions for me before we get off the phone?
No, I just wanted an attorney present because I'm tired of them.
Yeah.
I'm tired of them. I just wanted to make it the record.
Yeah, anytime they ever come back, just get one of our attorneys on the phone with you. Because even if I think it helps just having an attorney present to talk to the officers on your behalf. And to help, just de-escalate the situation.
Yeah. How can I get a copy of this?
You can request a copy of this video through support. There should be a link on the app, to email support and just reference this incident. Probably just the date is all you're going to need, and they'll be able to get you a copy of the video.
Okay. Sounds good. Sorry for all this mess, but I'm getting tired of these cops, you know.
Yeah, that's what we're here for. And I hope the rest of your day is calmer and is good.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. You too. Have a great day.
You too.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.